In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 laptop video editing. We'll walk through creating an AI-generated video from your laptop, focusing on writing a strong prompt, choosing the right settings, and starting the render so you get the results you want the first time. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Sora.com. On the homepage, look for the option to create a new video. This takes you into the creation interface where all the magic happens. On a laptop, it helps to work full screen so you can clearly see the preview area, the prompt box, and the settings panel side by side. Next, write a detailed prompt that clearly describes the scene you want. Think of it as giving directions to a very talented director who needs specifics. Include the subject, the background, the camera angle, any motion, and the lighting. For example, you might say, a close-up shot of a barista pouring latte art in a cozy cafe, soft morning light through a window, camera sliding gently from left to right, shallow depth of field, warm, cinematic tone. The more concrete your details, the more predictable the result. If something matters to you, write it down. Colors, mood, time of day, or even the pacing of movement. Before generating, set your parameters. For duration, standard users typically work with up to 15 seconds, while ChatGPT Pro users can go longer, up to 25 seconds. Choose what fits your storytelling goal. Short, punchy clips are great for teasers, while longer clips can convey more action. Then select your aspect ratio and resolution. Pick landscape for platforms like YouTube, portrait for vertical social media, or square if you need a balanced feed-friendly format. Match this to your editing timeline to avoid cropping later. Higher resolutions look sharper but may take longer to render, so balance quality with your deadlines. Once your prompt and settings feel right, click the Generate button. The system will process your request, and this can take a few minutes depending on length and resolution. While you wait, don't navigate away or refresh the page. When it finishes, review the result carefully against your prompt. If the vibe, framing, or lighting isn't quite there, refine your wording and adjust the parameters using the same steps, then generate again. Small tweaks, like clarifying the camera movement or specifying soft diffuse lighting instead of simply bright, often produce noticeably better outcomes. That's it. By navigating to the creation interface, crafting a precise prompt, setting duration and aspect ratio thoughtfully, and generating patiently, you'll get clean, usable clips ready for your editing workflow.
There we go, one Rosetta, just for you. Enjoy.